5:05, time now for your morning headlines. President Trump is declaring victory in the conflict with Iran, saying it has, in his words, already been won. It's just a question of when we stop. New details are also emerging about the deadly strike in Kuwait that killed 6 American service members during the opening weekend of the conflict. CBS News has learned more than 60 U.S. troops were injured in the attack, and as of this week, roughly 30 remain hospitalized, suffering from brain injuries and shrapnel wounds. Law enforcement officials are also pushing back on concerns about a possible Iranian drone strike here in the U.S. An FBI memo recently warned that Iran could attempt a seaborne surprise attack using drones off California's coast, but Homeland Security experts say that doesn't necessarily mean an attack is imminent. Multiple U.S. and California law enforcement intelligence officials tell CBS News there is no known specific threat behind that memo. It was issued about a week ago and distributed to local agencies by the FBI's Los Angeles office. And this morning, we're getting a clear picture of last month's inflation numbers. According to the latest Consumer Price Index report, inflation rose 2.4% in February compared to a year ago, holding steady from January. Now, the report shows food costs ticked up last month while gas prices actually dipped, but keep in mind that the data was compiled before the conflict with Iran, which has since sent fuel prices climbing. And a NASA probe that spent years orbiting Earth is finally making its way back down. NASA confirmed the Van Allen probe, a 1,300-pound spacecraft, burned up over the eastern Pacific Ocean early yesterday morning. That probe was launched back in 2012 to study the rings of the charged particles that shield Earth from solar storms and cosmic radiation. It wrapped up its 7-year science mission in 2019 after running out of fuel, and as for its twin spacecraft, that one isn't expected to re-enter the atmosphere until sometime all the way in the 2030s.